What's up, everybody? Tony here again with the Eclipse project. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to swap out your coolant reservoir on your car. This is a coolant reservoir. Got this off eBay. I think it was like $16. There's your part number right there in case you guys want to get one. So what your coolant reservoir does is when you turn on your engine and your engine's running and starts getting hot, all that water is going to start expanding, so that water needs a place to go. That's what this is. Your water is going to go in here. Once you turn your engine off, your car starts cooling down, the water is going to go from your coolant reservoir back into your engine. And so what that basically does is it prevents you from just wasting water all day, going somewhere, and then your engine eventually running out of water. So today I'm going to show you how to replace this in under 2 minutes. Show everybody what we're working on. '98 Mitsubishi Eclipse. A little beat up, but that's okay. License plates don't work. Still need some work on that quarter panel. There you go, guys. So here you go, the infamous 420A motor. Like I said, this is a project, so expect a lot of videos on this car. Alright, so you don't really need any tools to this. If anything, you might need some pliers, and then that's it. So this is the original coolant. As you can see, it's just on there. Just on there, real beat up. It's got a hole right here. It didn't even have a cap. You can see some of that old coolant, so that's trash. Throw that away. We take our new coolant reservoir. Okay, you might want to get a little razor blade. Make sure it's sharp. Take our reservoir out. Now this indentation right here, this is how you're going to slide your coolant reservoir onto your car. Now normally if you come over here, there's a little bracket that would be right here. You can see the bolts in there, and that little bracket is what holds your coolant reservoir. So then your coolant reservoir would simply slide onto that bracket. Now this car doesn't even have that bracket, so we need to go and get one. But for now, you simply slide your coolant reservoir in there. This little hose comes out of your radiator cap. This hose goes connected in here, and then you can put a little clamp here and you're set. You want to go at least about ½ an inch, prevent that clamp from coming out, and then that's it. Next, you want to pop open your coolant reservoir, fill that up with water, and then just put this back in there. I'm not sure why it's not going in there. The hose is a little bent. And there you go. Now if you're wondering how much water to put in there with your car off, as you can see, that says low and that says full. There you go. So you put your reservoir in there and you basically fill it up to the full mark, and that's it. Make sure the reservoir doesn't move around. Like I said, the bracket that normally holds the reservoir. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to zip tie it for now. That way my car runs safe and this isn't flopping around. And there you go. That's all you need to switch out your coolant reservoir. '98 Eclipse in under 2 minutes.